My name is Dave, I'm writing 41 songs in 41 days. The goal today is to write something that is a little bit more musically interesting when it comes to the chord progression. Let's get cracking. I haven't actually managed to write a song for a couple of days now, and I was fully prepared for this because I knew there'd be days where I'd have to do like 3 or 4 songs in a day. But the good thing is I've had a few moments where I have been able to do like a little tiny bit, come up with ideas and just make notes of them. So I had an idea the other day that I might try and work on. Spill the beans, will you? Tell the truth, can you? Look at me when I talk to you. No. That could be something. A 1 5 6 4, I think it is. So it's D major to A major to B minor to G major. So just a very simple 4 chords of pop. But the thing that I just like to do with this because it makes it sound a little bit more interesting. The 1 chord, D major, but then when you go to the 5 chord, you actually play it with the 3rd in the bass. So this is an A major / C sharp, and it creates this descending feel from the D to the A, then to the B minor, and then you just end it with a G, and it just makes the standard kind of chord progression sound a little bit more interesting. Spill the beans, will you? Tell the truth, can't you? Look at me when I talk to you. Okay, this idea came about just because I think we were in a cafe, so someone said, spill the beans, and I thought, spill the beans, that's a good like phrase. But it could be something nice, I don't know. This other really cool little chord progression I've used for years and years, I really like it. So it's just B minor. It's basically a B minor chord with an alternate bass, with a change in bass line. So it's B, then B minor / A. B minor / G, which I suppose is just a G major 7, then B minor / F sharp. I'm going to come up with something for that. But then this can actually then lead into the Spill the beans, will you? Tell the truth, can't you? Look at me when I talk to you now. I can see through you now. I can see you. Tell the truth now. Little refrainy bit there. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see if I can come up with a verse part to this. So I need to kind of create the image of like a situation maybe where you're talking to someone and you know they're lying, so you can kind of see them hiding something. Maybe that's an idea that I could use in the verses. I quite like the idea of this character being someone who lies about things even when they don't need to. So I've got this idea of what I see behind those eyes is nothing but a pack of lies. There's nowhere for you to hide. There was no need for you to lie. So it's kind of seeing this as pre-chorus, the will you whatever the truth thing, but that could actually just be part of the verse, and the pre-chorus is the and I don't know. Maybe this should be a chorusy bit here into the full normal chorus, normal chord progression, the full 4 chords of pop. Maybe there should be something there. Oh, there's quite a bit of work to do on this. I was hoping this would be a quick one to write and I could get on recording, but I feel like this is a puzzle I need to put together of this one. There's no reason to lie. I don't know why you need to lie. So maybe that's kind of the chorus. I don't know why you need to lie. And I don't know why you need to lie. And I don't know why. That feels like a very simple idea for a chorus. That's day 20 song done. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.